this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it.
There we go. There we go again. Okay, let's get to work. Let's get to work, guys. Sorry for my intro. The building permits. Number one thing, gold, secondary. Okay, looking for longs above the point of control, value area low. And potential longs here. Okay, if the news is bullish, of course, then I'm not looking for a particular gold trade yet. Then we wait for the news till it's over. Then we have more context, and then we can make a decision from there. I'm gonna do another intro later on. Promise you that. Let's stick or keep a close eye right now on the building permits, ladies and gentlemen. So we have the building permits coming right now. There we go. Dollar. Let's see what we have. And gold. Let's see if we can break this high here. And if this news is actually effective enough or something actually happens right now. As of now, we're going to find out very, very soon. News is past here. Nothing special. Nothing spectacular so far here. Okay. So we have more news coming later on. We have the PMI. Of course, the PMI is always the most important. Obviously, this is going to be the major game changer for today's stream. We continue with that here. I'm still looking potentially for gold longs if you can break this high. So I'm looking for longs above the 1961. If you can break above it, fantastic. Okay, taking out some of the liquidity that we're building right now. Breaking out of the momentum, but also breaking out of that previous range right here. In combination with the dollar. Getting rejected right now on this time frame as well. We have been tapping into it already once. We came back to these highs here. Okay, these highs are right now where we're at. We are potentially getting rejected and potentially coming down, retesting this level. If that happens, gold will come up. Gold will break above. We can catch a trade to the long side here. For short setups right now, I stay a little bit patient. Why? The dollar is just below this level. So I want to make sure that, I'm more interested in longs for now at this particular moment. Okay, creating kind of a double bottom structure right here. So I'm looking for potential longs again for the people that just tuned in here at 1961 here. Okay, nothing spectacular with this news here. All right, the major news is going to come very, very soon. We have the service PMI coming, even though the dollar was relatively bearish news here. If you look at the results. Pretty much the same as expected. Came a little bit lower, which is not good, obviously. But yes. So let's have a real check, guys. Who do we have right now in the building today? Keep a very close eye on gold as well here. Let me see what we have. Oh, sorry. I'm back. Let's see what we have. Thank you for the support. Thank you for, joining our community here. Let me know where you guys are from. Let me know where you guys are at right now at this particular moment. As you guys know, for the people that don't know me, my name is Lorenzo, and I'm streaming from beautiful Bali, Indonesia. Still a little bit sick, okay? Maybe you can hear it, but I'm trying to do my best today to provide you with a fantastic stream. And I do have a lot of excitement today because it's news day, it's red folder day, and we're going to trade with our big account today, okay? We are going to trade with our big account today because it's news day. Very, very straightforward. Let's see. Nick, hello, amazing people. Noogie Nook says, Lorenzo Abakabar, bike. How are you, brother? I'm doing good. Pakistan, Khalid says, South Africa, North Carolina. South Africa. Wow, many of you guys are from South Africa right here today. The Netherlands, down under. I love that, mate. From the UK, India, New Zealand, Romania, Portugal, Morocco, yes sir, Lithuania, Argentina, Austria, Canada, Oman, Sweden. I wanna have a little house in Sweden, in the north, in the forest. I would like to have a little house there. From Switzerland, Amazing, Rito. Hope you're doing well, friend. Davis, Spain. Saskia, Suriname. Lekker, lekker. Singapore. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. We're breaking highs already. We're already doing something here. Okay. What I want to do is, if we break above this zone and we close above the point of control, this is the most important part. If the point of control is higher in this range, I would have maybe said, you know what? Maybe not looking for a trade here. But because the point of control is right here below, I'm actually liking it a lot. Because if we can close above the point of control then, I like it. I like it. I think that there is a way of taking it back to the 1970, okay? To this particular zone right here, which is, of course, this bigger range. So the entry point of this bigger range overall. So that means that we could long, and we could potentially then place a small position there and then target the highs. This is what I'm interested in right now, based on what I currently see on just the liquidity that's getting built, the dollar that's weakening, and the news that came out relatively bearish. The fact that we held here right now, we formulated kind of a double bottom, not equal lows, just a double bottom structure. Coming back into the zone at the 30-minute. This is a 30-minute area of the month right here. We came back into that zone twice, and I do think that a breakthrough is possible here. Question is, will that happen right now, or are we going to wait for the news to see more volume coming into the market to see it actually happening from there? I think that could be the case as well. But yeah, we're gonna find out. We're gonna pay very close attention here. All right. I'm gonna risk around let's say like 0.5%. So like, let's say $2,000. So a $2,000 stop loss. May the gains be with you today. When is the news? The news is coming very soon. In 1 hour, we have new news coming. An hour and a half. And then 15 minutes later, we have the new home sales as well here. Couple of things still coming. Okay. I did expect more volume with the building permits, but it only means that the PMI will be a major move, guys. I can tell you that already. All right. Hey, bro, can you check the US30? Yeah, let me set an alert then. Let me set an alert real quick. Yes, okay, let's have a look here. US30, many of you guys are talking about US30 lately as well. Very interesting what happened yesterday. Was it yesterday? Yeah, I think it was yesterday. When the Nasdaq came up and the US30 came down. Significantly. Massive difference here. Okay, so what I currently see right now is that that with the US30, if you look from this perspective right here, you see that we are actually testing now the lows of this overall range right here. So a slight more pullback, coming back to the 33,184, and then based on the dollar, yeah, the actual outcome of the dollar, we're gonna find our way here. Also, I think we can open the volatility index. And at the same time, the volatility index is already open here. Let's see what we have. Yeah, we're just simply range. We're getting rejected right now. At that high. We're building a tremendous amount of liquidity below. Okay. Yeah, I'm looking for upside potential for the US30. This is textbook. Textbook, liquidity building, news coming. Boom. That means We have a target right here. And that means that the US30 will potentially come up. Maybe the Nasdaq is then more interesting. I leave that up to you. We can go over the Nasdaq as well here. But this is looking like it wants to come down very significant very soon here. So the volatility index is a major indicator when looking at that decision here. And you see now, let me look at the Nasdaq as well. You would say it looks so bearish right now. That's so interesting. But the volatility index is just completely giving us a completely different indication here. Very, very interesting. The US30 is indeed looking the best right now. Yeah, no, this is looking good. Okay. Yeah, this combination is fantastic. If the VIX is coming down here, and if the US30 responds positive to the VIX coming down, it's just a simple long above this high here, which is at 33,287. Yeah, with the volatility index like this, no, I'm actually quite bullish if we decide to come down here. Okay, we might be pulling back a little bit more though, right now, beforehand. But no, look at the volatility index, major indicator right there. Back to gold. Gold is coming up right now. We're still around the point of control, so we need to see body closure above. Pretty straightforward. I do like the US30, so thank you for sharing. Look at the volatility index right here. Coming up, taking out the highs, dumping very hard. If that happens, the US30 will come down and then come up. US30 is still connected very well to the volatility index. Yesterday you saw a little glitch or a little decoupling, but the US30 was still acting pretty decent. Vishal, my man, hope you're doing well. Patrick, hello all. Yes, Mr. International, so many people from so many different countries here, from all ages as well. There are people in our community that are 65 plus. There are people in the community that are like 15 years old. It is all a blessing. Focus on gold. Yes, gold is here and the US30. So I'm focusing on the US30 and I'm focusing on gold. But yeah, gold is here, man. Patrick, 42 years old. Yes. How old are you guys? How old are you guys? Any age is fantastic. It doesn't matter how old you are. It's just, it's good to know. It's like it's interesting to see what if YouTube is right. If YouTube is actually right with telling me 17, 18, 44. I see 40, 31, 22, 46, 53, 23. 25, 19, 51, 37, 25, 32, 18, 24. There we go. Okay. Good to know. 59, 56, 27, 69, 20, 105. All ages. This is fantastic, man. Welcome to trading. Welcome to the most beautiful way of bringing people together. Okay. And therefore we have created the Limitless Trading Academy for all ages. And that's why we're having the same goal in mind. From all over the world, isn't it fantastic? Yeah, let me highlight this so you could indeed give you a little bit more context here for this trade. Potential longs above. Closure. Plus dollar confirmation. You see that point of control right now is the most important zone. You see that you get rejected on it again. So the point of control is the magic indicator. If there's one indicator you ask me to use, then it will be the fixed range volume profile. US30 for you tonight, fantastic. Yes, I am very interested in trading US30 if we break down here with the volatility index. Very interested here, but I know for a fact that this is going to be around the New York Stock Exchange open, if not the news. Damon, my man, hope you're doing well, friend. A little bit flu, but I feel amazing. I feel good. Always happy to be here. When will gold go up? It's hard to say, but it can definitely be a little bit later. So not yet, but after the bigger news. Just keeping a close eye on it right now. For everyone that doesn't know what I'm doing here, the point of control, the fixed volume profile, I'm going to talk about it every single stream. Because I just want you to know what it is and how it works and why it's so powerful. If you close above it, it's usually a very good sign. It's a good indication. Do you believe that in the medium gold can drop to 1900 or lower? I do think that it's possible. Yeah. With the dollar strength. If you look on the daily, the dollar is actually looking very good. It's just we're looking on the lower time frames. And I think that a retest or a short-term pullback is also likely. But my medium-term bias is definitely bearish. US30. Yeah. To be honest, guys, if I had to make a decision for later today, and I would bet my money, and I had to bet my money on a trade, then I will put it on the indices today. So there are two ways we can do it for gold. Either we break above this zone here, or we simply just wait for this high to be broken. Okay, and that depends on the dollar itself. The dollar eventually makes that decision for us. We're going to go over it in a second here. If there is no confirmation, there is no confirmation. So wait, if you want to join me, at least in a way, of course you are your own trader. Wait until I say I am in the trade position, okay? So there is no confusion there. Because it could easily be that we wait for this closure above this high to then take it up towards these levels right there. Because there is a lot more liquidity built up above these levels right here as well. So just another layer. So just want to have the confirmation of the dollar here. Keep you guys updated for that as well here. And the US30, yeah, US30 will come later this stream. So it's gonna be a good. It's gonna be a good combination. So it's either this one, or it's gonna be something like this right here, above the 64, and then target the highs of that liquidity that's built up above here. Definitely possible. So this is like a stronger buy sell in my opinion. Stronger buy signal right here. Why? Well, it's pretty straightforward. You break out of that overall range, right? That consolidation, that area of consolidation here. Plus you have all that imbalance right there. Plus you're filling up both of these gaps here. You see pretty much when we came up, gap. When you came down, gap. All right. There is not much happening in there. So let's say we are waiting for the right momentum to catch on towards to, then that's definitely the moment where you want to look for longs, because it's easy to just fill up, come back to that area again, and simply just do the same thing. Same thing here. Okay. Therefore, it is a very, very interesting, an interesting layer. Yeah, you have to wait for closure. That's number one. Okay, let's go to the dollar. Yeah, needs to break below this level. Dollar needs to break underneath the 103.479. US30, nothing's happening for now. That's fantastic. So gold is the is where we look at. Wait for closure and let the dollar come down. If that doesn't align, then it's just going to be a buy from here. With much more certainty. Like a stronger buy signal from there. Because this can easily bring us up straight away to the 70s or higher. GJ buys. Let me check in a second here. It's still doing it, eh? It's still breaking. It's still looking very, very. It's looking nice. It's looking good. US30, not for now. US30 will take at least an hour and a half here to become relevant. One minute 50 seconds. Dollar not breaking the lows yet. There we go. Can he push down? Oh, wow. Okay. I highly doubt we're going to see closure here. A safer buy will be at the 90.64 for gold. I can already see it right now. Just by seeing the way we're getting suppressed, the way the dollar is not breaking the lows, it's an easy tell here. Look at GJ. And look at the yen. Higher high, lower low. 33 seconds till closure. "20 seconds. Keep a close eye on GJ right now. "10 seconds. Can we close? Can we close? Is that what's happening here? Yes, I think we can. There we go. Okay. I'm in GJ. I'm in GJ long. Closure yen, higher high, lower low, consolidation. We expand, we break out of that zone. For me, that's a GJ long right now. Okay. First trade. Gonna be an interesting day, interesting stream today. Where's the yen? There we go. Mr. Almetis and Lorenzo, I've started to use the US 10-year yield correlation. You should check it out for gold. Yes, we use it not only for the 10-year, we sometimes use it for the 3 months even. Go Workout says, go me stupid GJ, not the same thing like in the last 4 hours, please. Please go up. Well, it's a textbook setup for me. For me, this is just, this is the correlation I look for. Higher high, lower low, rejection. We consolidated, we broke out, we took the liquidity beforehand. We broke down the low while GJ broke the high. Bouncing from a zone, an important zone as well. So for me, this is a good setup. No hard feelings for the outcome. Whatever happens, happens. Hey Lorenzo, do you know Arjo on YouTube? He is from the Netherlands. Arjo. No. Is that a trader? Solid breakout so far. Solid reaction so far here. How much will it be? Okay, 300. Not yet. Let's go, yen. Yen coming down. Let's go. $300 up. Let's go. Let's get it. $400. Okay. After this closure, stop loss can go on break even very quickly. Why? Strong, bullish candle closure. If you close below, you can put your stop loss straight away under the wick and your trade is secured here. However, we have a couple more minutes left for that to actually play out here. So we're not there yet. I just see the yen weakening at this particular moment here. We still have some room, also on the lower time frames. How's life there in Bali? My man, life is good. Life is good. I want to get back into surfing. It's been such a long time ago. I need to get back into it. But our community comes first, though. Our community comes first. We need to make a lifestyle vlog. Yes, sir. It's coming. We're building a lot of things right now. We are really building a lot of stuff right now at the moment. One minute, 50 seconds. I need to pay very close attention to this closure right now. Our in Bali last summer was good. Way too many tours. Yes, it was very busy at some point, but I live in a very, relaxing neighborhood. But I can be in Bali. I can be in the busy touristic section in like 15 minutes if I want to. 1 minute for a 5-minute candle closure. After that, if you close like that, stop loss is gonna go on break even. $500. Take some profit. I'm gonna take some profits right now. I leave the rest running. It's simple. 600. There we go. I'm gonna take some profits. Done. Closure in 44 seconds. I have taken some profits. You never know. I'm happy. Gives me a good feeling. Leave the rest running. 30%. $20 seconds. Guys, let's smash that like button as well. All right. Wait a couple of seconds before you smash that like here. Yeah, closure. Stop loss underneath that last low. I already took some profits, so regardless, we are gonna now have a good outcome here. Yeah, underneath that low. Okay, stop loss secured. First win of the day. Let's get it, guys. Press a win in the chat. Let's go. It's just the beginning of a long session today. We have gold coming. We have the US30 looking absolutely fantastic for later. Okay, so this was just a quick, easy money. Timing was perfect in that sense here. I'm still looking at the yen. The yen is still coming down, so it's still doing its thing here. So we took out around $300. We have $100 stop loss right now, so it's just to be sure under that low. If we really close below that low, then yeah, we might be pulling back a little bit more. Do you know the update about ICT, the silver bullet strategy? Yeah, I've watched it. I'm analyzing it a little bit. It's a great. Yeah, it's actually nothing new, to be honest. But it's an interesting, the way he explains is very interesting. The psychology behind it. Closing in what? 5 seconds? 5 minutes? No, nothing yet. Nothing yet. Now, I think break even is fine. Break even is fine here. Yeah. Because this should just hold to. This area of demand should just now hold. Gold is right now where? Okay, dollar is making big moves. So gold's coming down probably. If that's probably the case right now. That we came up and that we come down. That we didn't close that candle. Yes, we did exactly that. So gold didn't close above it. No body closure. It came in and it came down. When the dollar came up. That's why we said dollar confirmation. All right, no dollar confirmation. That's almost $1,000. I'm gonna take some more profits right now. TP2, right here. TP2 is taken. Yeah, the rest is gonna stay for a while here. Okay. Congratulations, guys. Let me know if you guys are in the trade as well. Who's in GJ right now? Let me know in the chat. Who is in this trade? Great start of the stream. Direct, boom. Setup, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Two TPs are taken out. I took around 30% the first trade, 20% the second trade. I've taken out 50% right now. Let me quickly look at the yen. Okay, yeah, we're reaching an important level right now. So, yeah, okay. Really reaching an important level. So wait for this closure. If we close now above this zone, in my opinion, you should look for a, you should close your position. So a body closure above the 7,554 for the yen is for me a full closure of GJ. If you close below it, of course I leave it running. So keep a close eye on this body closure right now. 3 more minutes left though. 3 more minutes for a closure here. What do you think about GU? I will check it out in a second. Hubert, my man, hope you're doing well. Carl Culture DV, what do you think about the dollar index? Well, I'm not impressed. I'm not impressed yet. Not impressed. Yet. 2 minutes for a closure for the yen. If you close above it again, I'll close my position in full. If you close below it, we can leave it running. I think we can leave it running. Whoo. By the way, guys, say welcome to Gavin Dentis, my brother, the co-founder of the Limitless Trading Academy. All right, aka the myth. Give him a warm welcome to the chat. And, you know, he's the moderator right now. He's helping us out a little bit more. He gave some very amazing macroeconomic, classes before. And it's definitely coming back here. Okay, bye-bye, yeah. We call this the... Give me one moment. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. I leave this up to you guys. If you want to take your profits, you should take your profits here. For me, this seems like a significant decrease now. The fact that we have been coming down towards, or we have broken this level with any remorse, not even a little bit of resistance or support, I mean, is a good indication here. So it is significant. It's a significant reaction here. However, at some point here, I assume that we're gonna face some. We are gonna face some support now. Let's get back to the yen, to GJ itself. If you go to the 15-minute, we are now coming back into this range. So if you look here, you draw the fixtures one profile from the left to the right. We are now almost at the value area low. So you're gonna face more and more resistance right now. So booking profits is never a bad idea in my opinion. And just scale down your position until you say, okay, I leave something running. And I just leave it running regardless. For me, I like to take profits here. In the end, right now we have taken out $6, $8, $9, $1,000. $1,000. The rest is just for how do you call it? Is a moon bag. We have that gap below, we have the zone below. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we have taken our profits. So GJ is done for now. I think that the yen can either start coming up a little bit, we can start bouncing. The reason why I do not close my position in full is just because if you look here on the 1 hour or maybe even the 4 hour chart here, it's not looking good for the yen. It's not looking good at all. Okay, look at that rejection here, that 4 hour area of supply, and I want to keep that position open in case we are moving on the daily towards lower targets, which is still possible. So I want to keep around 25% open. And that's what I'm going to do here. So that's it for this trade. And I'll see you in the next stream. Thank you. Bye-bye. Joking. No. We're just getting started. We have gold, we have news, so many things coming still. Okay. So make sure stop loss on break even or close your position out in full. It's up to you. And guys, let's smash that like button. Let's get it to 400 likes. We're at 300 already. Let's move it up a little bit here. And then we have for our the next trade. Gold is not the trade yet here. The Dow Jones is not there yet. However, I really like what we're seeing here with the volatility index. If you see this dropping, wow, you're gonna see such a big move here. So yeah, longs for from 33,286, and for gold, if you decide to come up right now, it has to be the following. So you can forget about this for now, in my opinion. Up to you. But buys above 1964. Going for this gap above, these gaps above here. If you look here on the 8 hour, you see clearly we're talking about this whole gap. Strong buys above, in my opinion here. Because it's a significant range that you break through and you directly head into that gap. And that gap was also a gap before, so it wasn't just one time. We saw this happening already multiple times. So once, twice, 3 times before. So if you break and close above it, it is going to be a good trade setup from there. So yeah, anything below, I would like to be patient and waiting. Volume imbalance for very gap is the same, yeah. At least that's how I always have interpreted it. Could you give me your thoughts on GU? Yeah, thank you, brother. Thank you for asking again. I know you asked me before. Okay, the dollar here. Dollar is still doing its thing here, ranging a little bit. Let's go to GU. One second. Okay. Yeah, massive drop. Where let's go to the 4 hour. All right, you know what? Let's go to the daily. Ooh. Not looking good. On the higher time frame, it's not looking good, but it makes sense because the dollar is looking significantly strong here. You see where we at. We have still a lot of room to go. These were the highs. We broken below these highs again. Let me go to the Sunday open real quick. See where the market opened. I think it was around about there, but anyways. Just to have this as well. Yeah, right there, exactly at that spot. Okay, so the major resistance is at 124.452. Major. The Sunday open, daily ranges, you name it. Okay. If you look on the 1 hour, you see what you have done is pretty much, it's a continuous trend here of the dollar coming up, obviously, on the daily, like showing strong higher time frame reversal signals to the upside. So we have this zone right here, we have this zone right there, constantly getting rejected right now, creating new lows right here. A lower low has been put into play here. So of course, looking for shorts is the best way to do so. However, it's not always that I'm looking for shorts at all times here. If sometimes we're seeing the dollar decide to pull back because we're overextended, which happens all the time, then I might be looking for a short-term play to the upside, but it will be a kind of a lower risk trade with the right incentive though. So with the right volume, momentum, breakout, confirmation from the dollar breaking, of course, lows, while GJ is then breaking highs and so on and so on. But if we decide to really create a higher high and a higher low, and we're not coming down here, then in my opinion, looking for shorts is still the best, most reliable option. Because we have simply just consolidated here. And now we have expanded here, and the major resistance will be around that zone. If you go to the 30-minute time frame, just clean it up here one more time, and you go here again. Then you're just going to find some major resistance around the 124.217. This is only 30 minute. And for potential pullback to the upside, really have to see the dollar breaking below. But the bias is definitely still short, even on the 30 minute as well. So unless something happens on the lower time frame with the dollar breaking lows, I would still look for shorts for GU here. If you're talking about lower time frame right now, we're in the middle of a no trading zone, in my opinion. So you want to break out of this range and see from there. Tony, your account balance is 400k, but you're targeting only 2k profit. That's only 0.5%. I don't understand. Yeah. That's correct. So when I scalp on the lower time frame, I usually risk around 0.5% per trade. If I trade on the medium time frame, higher time frame, I risk up to sometimes maybe even it depends if it's a swing trade. I could risk up to 4% per trade. Distribution or accumulation. So as far as I only see right now for GU, it's distribution. Until the dollar proves me otherwise. His teacher says UJ is good. I think there is potential long position. Okay. We have news coming soon. Is that correct? Not yet. No, we have still some time here. Somebody was talking about the dollar yen. Okay. Gold is going to be waiting game, guys. I don't want to wait all day for you guys to watch gold coming above the 90.64, which could happen later today. But I don't want to wait with you guys this whole stream until gold will break above that zone here. So yeah, let's just look around a little bit if you guys agree. The dollar yen is indeed moving fast. The yen is just getting weak. Okay, it's the yen itself that's getting weaker. That's why we took that trade for GJ. Okay, yeah. For now, too late to enter. The trade should have been around here. The time that we broke it when we went to that GJ trade here. So it's too overextended already. For now. Dollar creating higher highs. Smashing two levels here. Also broke the right now 3-hour, 4-hour high. Okay, we have a closure coming very, very soon here for the 3-hour. For the 1 hour. And actually, 20 seconds from now. So do we close a body closure above it? It's super important to know. Let's see what happens here. Important. Okay, we closed above that zone. So we have created a 1 hour higher high. It's important. It's an important break. So that's good to know. VIX is coming up. Of course, if the dollar decides to move like that, the VIX will come up. Because that's usually not a good sign for the stock market. Therefore, more fear in the market as well. And that's what the volatility index measures. It measures the fear in the stock market, especially in the S&P. Let's see anything else. Anything else? Gold. We have an alert set, so if it happens, it happens. You guys know it. 1964.667. Okay, the yen is bouncing from that zone here. Okay, we expected at least a reaction there. That's where we highlighted that zone. So we're seeing a bounce. It's holding very well. It's holding very well. If you close the body below, I'm gonna close my position. You know, extra profits. The yen is holding here. So far, you know, I think that makes sense here. So if you close a body closure below that zone, let me know, guys. All right, please. Looking for another setup. Enzo, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen was even better for long. We missed it. Okay. Yeah. Well, usually we focus a lot more on GJ. But I don't know how many pips it was. I have no idea. From the break to the top. 35 pips. Okay. All right. Close our position. Done. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. That's good. Let's have a look around. All the alerts are set. So gold alert is set. US30 is also set, by the way. So we have the most important chart set. The question is, do you guys want to wait for these setups? You know what? I'm gonna ask you guys right now. Let me put on a poll. Let me know, guys. I don't know what it is. There we go. Okay. Oh, okay, wow, 24 votes. Okay, let's see. Waiting for gold to use 30. Okay. If that's the case, then we're gonna just wait for these setups. So either the US30 breaking or the volatility index breaking below, the US30 coming up, and then gold breaking above here. Okay, sounds good. Let's wait for gold and the US30. Sounds like a plan. Lorenzo, I want to do partial close on trading view, but closes instantly. What settings should I change? You have to go to trade. Sorry, you have to go to settings, I believe. And then you go to trading. And then you say instant orders placements right here. You remove it. I made the mistake a couple times as well. Lorenzo, can you explain why the higher high for the dollar was so important? So it's just either like, let's say we come down, okay? Then we know at least that the highs are taken out. And that they could, let's say, manipulate the highs here. Another reason is that if we come down, that if we create a higher low, and you have a confirmation in the lower time frame, that higher highs are realistic or more realistic. So it's just a great confirmation to see in both scenarios what will actually happen in the future here. So it's just better to just swipe the highs or close the body above. Even if you come down and break, create a lower low eventually. So yeah, for gold right now, it is waiting for that strong buy above there. Is GJ for a sell? No, I'm not a big fan yet. Even though it was it's a good bounce so far. But I'm not there yet completely with DJ. For a sell now. I think it's risky. $23 minutes to the US market open. Yes, I'm excited for that because of the also the US30. Also the US30. I really want to see what's going to happen here. If we come down, come into that zone, and then decide to break above these highs here, that will be something. That will be something. I would not be surprised if you take out the lows first here. Still. And then decide to break highs. So maybe this is not the high we're looking for. It could be this high as well. It just depends on the particular breakdown. For example, where we actually break out. Yeah. For example, this one right here is still there. Okay. Corrado has made 2.3% in 30 minutes of being in the charts. Done for the day. Thank you, Lorenzo, for teaching me all kinds of things, especially in V2. Amazing, brother. Yeah, the V3 is coming. The beautiful V3 is coming, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. Thank you for the subscribers here. I didn't see your name, unfortunately. I was looking at some trades here. But welcome. If you are interested in joining our beautiful Discord, you can. Okay, we are sharing a bunch of stuff here on a regular basis. We already have a couple of new members from the stream right now. My man Gemma, welcome, brother. J-Home Expert, my man. Hey, I see you in the streams. Salmon555, welcome, my friend. Neil Up Duvali. Sammy, Stunnerly. And a couple of you other guys as well here. Join our Discord. We have tons of information. Also, I am sharing a lot of information in regards to my trading as well. Okay. For example, GJ trade yesterday. Also, I keep you guys updated on a regular basis. Right now, also, I have my crypto section as well here with a daily analysis as well. So you never have to miss out on a single section. You have a good understanding of the money flow. Okay. For now, in this stream, we're looking for our second trade of today's session, and that is potential gold longs and US30 longs. If we break these highs and if the dollar, of course, decides to come back down right now. Which I would not be surprised if that would happen. But let's see. Where do you post on Discord? In the mentor charts. It's called mentor charts. We're going to have a big celebration at 10,000 members. We are now at 9,179. Hey, gold is doing something, guys. Gold is preparing for something. Okay, you can see it. Gold is doing what gold does, and that is building liquidity. I like what I see. Here. Yeah, how would that potentially be? Well, it depends where we can go towards. We should be able to. We're gonna face some resistance, so it's gonna be it's definitely gonna be scalp. In my opinion, what you can do is just simply book your position on break even, close your position. Let's say we're gonna get in profit. Okay, close your position on break even at some point in the middle of this range. Take some profits. And then leave the rest running. And if you then see it, getting rejected, then you just close your position, or simply just you take your profits and you let the rest run. Tariq, my brother. How you doing, brother? Good, good to see you as well. You sold GJ, okay. And then you bought it? The gold song, yeah. The only thing is, guys, right now, and this is something that this is looking fantastic. It's just that you have to understand that in 15 minutes from now, we have the New York Open. The New York Stock Exchange Open as well. But the dollar is definitely now, after we have taken these highs right now, coming down, looking to decline here. We need our gold song right now, indeed. We need our gold song. Well, it's already breaking. So maybe we should be patient here with our gold song here. Okay, this is all good. What we're building here is great. We're breaking out of that zone. Fantastic. Everything's good here. Dollar coming down significantly right now. After taking out these highs. When did we flip? Okay, we flipped at this moment. Our closure is almost 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I personally like to wait for closures. There we go. Gold. Gold. Alright, last minute, 1 minute 50 seconds. I see, yeah, let's see what's happening. It's already flying significantly here. Let's see where we're at after this closure. We're not in yet. I'm not in yet here. There is something that around the New York Stock Exchange Open that I don't really... I'm not a big fan of. So I wanted to wait for closure. Look at how we're getting pushed down already. I thought the music is only after entry. Actually, yeah, it usually is. It usually is. Look at how we're getting pushed down already. Dollar did not break that low. I'm still patient here. This can be some sort of manipulation here. So, even though it was a good breakout, but that 15-minute candle closure, of course, the most important one. And we have the New York Stock Exchange coming in like 9 minutes from now. Dollar is holding here. The correlation is great right now with gold. You can see it clearly. Dollar coming down, gold coming up. Dollar coming up, gold coming down. So as long as the dollar doesn't break below, I might sit it out here. Especially because in 10 minutes we have the New York Stock Exchange open. We have more news coming. Could be a lot of manipulation right now. I think the risk is a bit on the higher side here. Let's see how we develop and how we close this 15-minute candle. That's the most important candle right now. What are you guys doing, chat? When we took this GJ trade now, like 30 minutes ago, clean closure, clean continuation. This was a massive expansion, and now you see that the dollar is trying to hold on towards this low. Why is that? Because this low created a higher high. So this low is now holding here. That's why it's pushing back here. Mark says sitting out as of news. Smoking blunt, watching you making money. Great. Stefan, what's happening, Babarar? Hope you're doing well, bro. You missed our first trade. But we're still going to be here. I'm also looking at the US30, by the way. This is my this is something I'm really interested in here, where we're going to see the breakout. So it's definitely not done yet. It's just right now with gold. Very careful here at the moment. 7 minutes for the New York Stock Exchange open. It's about the timing in the market. It's about the potential chance of manipulation right now. It's about the dollar holding above that stronger low. There are a couple of different factors why I didn't enter right away. Let's sit it out here for the next couple minutes and let's see. It's holding also pretty well. It's not like it's just the timing. Andreas says the beating the euro down. Is that so? Is that so? What about the yen? The yen is wow. I think we closed GJ at the perfect moment. We closed GJ. Yeah, I think that was a good decision. Yeah. Would have been stopped out on break even otherwise. Yeah, no, good. It was a good decision here. We had some profits above there as well. I think we split it perfect. Or we divided the parcels perfectly right there. Interesting. Okay. 5 minutes. I'm personally not going to enter right now, guys. I'm not going to enter right now. Even if it goes up for now, it's just in 5 minutes we have the New York Stock Exchange open. The dollar has not broken that low yet. There's a couple of things that I don't like here. So personally, I'm not entering myself right now at the moment. However, I'm gonna keep a close eye on it for now. If you guys are entering, it's up to you. It's your own choice. I need to wait according to my yeah, no. Four minutes till the New York Stock Exchange open. When we close the live, couple hours. Three more minutes. And what do you think about the USD cut? Yeah, we'll check it in a second here. So far the dollar is okay. Now we're gonna see something here. 2 minutes. This is gonna be good for gold. Wrapping for PMI, yes. We're gonna see some significant reaction here soon. So the building permits came out negative. The services PMI is gonna be the biggest news, and then we have the new home sales 15 minutes after that. Probably right away. One minute. So far, gold is still coming up. I'm very curious how we open the market here. Okay, there we go. We open. Are we going to come up further? Are we going to come down? What's happening here? What's the dollar going to do? And most importantly, the volatility index coming up. Or the US30 is opening bearish. But as you guys know, never trust the first 15 minutes of the indices. Okay, it's always something that you have to take in consideration. We opened. Are looking for snapping content. I personally didn't take this one. We just took a trade beforehand. I was literally planning of entering. However, a couple of things that I held back from my decision making here to enter. Which in this case was not a good decision. But, you know, I have to follow my rules. I think many people took it still. And we have news coming in 15 minutes, so be very aware, very careful as well. Are we gonna flip? Is there a chance that we're gonna flip here? That's my question to you guys. What do you guys think, chat? Are we gonna flip gold during the news here? I think it's possible. I do believe it's possible. Okay, we have the fixed zone profile. We have the zone right there. We have the first layer is right here, the value area low. Then we have the point of control. And then we have indeed, we have equal lows underneath. I think it's going to return in this imbalance, go up. We take the imbalance like this. Lorenzo, are you ready for some fake news today? I'm always ready, my man. Always ready. Okay, we reached our first zone right now. This could be a already an area of resistance that matters here. Okay, 30-minute zone, value area low. So be aware of that. The dollar is still holding a buffer. Okay, we swiped. We're not looking particularly strong here, but we have around 15 minutes till the news. And man, hey, not to trust in the first 15 minutes means this is mainly for the indecision. And this is exactly what I mean. So like, yeah, here we go. So this is actually very important right now. Look at all the liquidity built up here for the Dow Jones right now in general. It is interesting what gold is doing. I think there is a chance that it can flip here, so it's up to you. If you are in a gold trade right now, it's up to you what you want to do. If you want to take some profits, if you want to close your position or break even, or in full, whatever happens. But keep in mind that in 10 minutes, we have the PMI coming out. Super important news. To come back to your question, Robbie, you know, you see that the market opened up, you came down, and now we're already trying to reverse here. Usually what it does, it's just start to play around until the 15-minute candle, you know, trying to induce as many people as possible in a new position. Then, you know, they make a decision, okay, where are we going to go to? And that's why the first 15 minutes after the New York Stock Exchange open is the most important. For me, after the 15 minutes, I can kind of look for that, or can kind of see that confirmation in regards to where we will head towards to eventually. And that's usually when we look for the execution of a trade. Go Workout says I wanted to go long on GJ, but it's really risky for the news. Yeah, that's the thing, right? So you see your perfect setup, but that shows me that you actually are a reasonable trader. That you take news, for example, but also bijvoorbeeld the market openings and stuff in consideration. Doesn't always work in your favor. But, you know, it can really benefit you as well many times, especially with the indices. Especially with the Dow Jones, the Nasdaq, the S&P 500. Yeah, we're going to wait for the news. We're going to wait for the news here. Which is coming already in like 9 minutes. US30 is getting bettered. For now. For now. For now. Keep a close eye on that one. What about Bitcoin? Yes, I have a full analysis as well. Are you in my group or not? If you are in our Discord, we have a VIP section which you can join for free. Well, you need to do something. You need to sign up through a link, deposit $100 on your account, but it's your account. You don't have to give it to me. It gives you access to our VIP section where I share the daily analysis for Bitcoin, altcoins, you name it. Plus, my VIP also course that I created. Worked really hard on that. Not on the course creation, no. The strategy behind it. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the news and from there, my main focus for now is either a flip for gold or a long on your US30 if you break that high. So flip for gold, long on the US30. If I already have an account on the exchange, what can I do? Make a new account. You don't need KYC. Are still doing the copy trading? This is gonna come back. For now, we were working on some things first. I do believe if we break this high that there is a lot of upside potential for the US30 in the short term. So we'll keep a close eye on it. The volatility index right now is doing exactly what I wanted to do. We talked about this before. What it's doing, it's coming up. It's creeping up. And then news will come. And then hopefully we break down. And if that happens, you will see a significant pump for the US30. 6 minutes. Then we have our 50-minute candle closure done for the New York Stock Exchange open, and news is coming out straight away. So it's gonna be important. For gold, we're still there, but we're still in that area of resistance right now. Keep a close eye on it, because we could easily just start flipping very soon during the news. If we are coming up now, then we could definitely flip during the news here. And go for the lows. And it's possible. It's definitely possible. I'm gonna set 2 alerts on gold. 4 minutes. Hope you guys are ready. The PMI. I'm gonna get a drink real quick. Give me 1 minute. Have a close on gold. I think we could come down with gold here. I think it's possible. Then we could flip here. As we came back all the way into that race, we're now building a lot of liquidity to the downside. And for the US30, which I would really love to trade here, looking for lungs above that zone. Be right back. Drinking energy drink or chai? Tea. Less than 2 minutes to go. PMI is a tricky one, can come in lower forecast, but if it's still above 50, I know it's very tricky. That's why gold right now is so it's a very tricky tricky situation. Coming back to that zone here, we have these equal lows as well below. Yet at the same time, we have the point of control there of this whole range. It's an interesting reaction here. The US30 is much more clear in my opinion for now. $50 seconds. I'm gonna look at gold real quick for you guys. Keep gold open. PMI. I'm not going to trade gold if you decide to come up here. I'm only going to trade the US30 if we decide to break above and close above there. Okay, there we go. What's the outcome? Let's see. Coming down, coming up. Go to the 1 minute. Ooh, all over the place. All over the place right now. Dollar. Overall outcome, bullish for the dollar. Okay, bullish for the dollar here. That should not be good. Equal lows there. We are now in the value area low. There we go. Liquidity has been built there. There we go. Yeah, I think we're going to flip. Who knows? Who knows? We're not there yet. We're not there yet. Gold coming down. Broke the first level. There we go. Dollar. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. We're still in the middle. In my opinion, it's better to wait right now for gold here to make a decision. Unless you know the answer. Good that we took already some profits before. US30 is still... US30 is looking better. US30 is looking better. So we're getting closer and closer for the US30 here. Gold coming back up. So is the US30. Tapped into the value area low right now. The value area low. Alright, you guys know what the value area low is. Let's see if we can hold there or if we break through it and come to the point of control. I did expect a better, more aggressive reaction in general. Do you only trade resistance and support? No. The value area low. The value area low. So far is getting rejected significantly. If you guys want to know what the value area low is, it's this overall range right here. You have this area of consolidation. Okay. You consolidate. You expand, you create a lower low, you come back up, you retrace, you get rejected. Are there realistic targets below? Yes, equal lows there. That are potentially realistic targets, yes. The value area low is the area where suddenly the volume decides to significantly increase in that range. I use the metaphor always where I state that it's the first portal or the first port of like a massive wall or whatever, a kingdom. And the point of control, which is the highest level of volume traded in that range, is the most resistance. It's actually the second layer, it's the inner circle. You see that you tapped literally in that zone, guys. And this is a great lesson for you guys. When you look at areas of consolidation, expansion, retracement, and you see the value area low, you want to pay very close attention. That's why I was not excited about longing from there when you're coming back to range. Am I saying that right now we're gonna come back down? 100% sure? No. I'm just saying that you're gonna face serious resistance around these levels, or at least a reaction. Overall, we're really just where we started. But the volatility, or sorry, the US30 is starting to make some moves here. Do you use TradingView for one and analyzing for the other? No, we have our account connected to TradingView. We're looking here at our account right now. So gold was, yeah, look at gold. Dollar, still holding here. We got rejected at the value area low. I hope that makes sense for you guys. Why? And why that level? Exactly. Was still tricky though. Was still a tricky one. Yeah, okay, I like what I see on the US30 here. We're getting somewhere. The gold for now. I'll play it safer for gold here. 1970 was indeed a mess for a layer of resistance here. How much capital did you start? $0. No, I'm joking. Couple $100. Well, in essence, actually zero, because I made a lot of money in my life and I lost a lot of money in my life, and I did that multiple times. And I'm still not where I want to be. So or where I could have been. And if I'm going to start talking about where I could have been, it will not help me further. So if you break this low and the US30 is coming up, I'm going to go for a long there. Gold is ranging. I think it's very tricky here. Said, do not force, my friend. The universe has plans for everyone. Shout out to you, brother. I agree. I agree. What time frame are you in? I'm hovering between the 5, 15, and 30. How many monitors do you have? One. We need people to share their monitors again. That's what we need to do again. We did it a while ago. It was amazing. A lot of new people are here. Share your monitor. Share your monitor in the chat. That would be fantastic. Share your monitor in the chat. I will do it as well. If I can find it. I think I can find it somewhere. Let's see where it is. Okay, we're creeping up in gold. Gold is still ranging underneath these levels. Coming up again. So exactly where we started. With, or just before the news. We have more news coming right now, guys. So, 3 minutes left until the new home sales. Okay. Neil here, what risk do you usually use for the US30 for the stop loss? Or you don't have a set one and just adjust based on the potential RR? So it depends, bro. It's very hard to say what risk. But let's say I have a $400,000 account, then I'll usually do not risk more with this breakout strategy that we're trading on stream. You know, 0.5% on the lower time frames. If it's on the higher time frame, I could risk up to 4%, but it depends. You know, it depends on many other factors as well. And then you have the RR and so on and so on. So there are many different layers. Yes, guys, let's drop a like in the chat. Let's get to 500 likes, okay? Hope you guys took that first profitable trade on GJ. Hope you guys are learning a little bit of what's happening with gold here. Hope you guys can understand a little bit of why and how we look at these particular... or how we just analyze the gold chart in general and why this is so important for me. Very volatile here. 2 more minutes till the news here. 2 more minutes to go. There we go. Let's see what gold is doing here. We came up, we come down. 30 seconds. Gold was coming up, but news is coming. We're not there yet. Final news of today. Ay. 10 seconds to go. Keep a close eye on the US30 as well. Okay, there we go. News. Bullish for the dollar once again. Okay. Bullish for the dollar once again. Be careful with gold. Long. It's still hovering. It still wants to push, but it's an interesting one here. Okay. Let me know what you guys think, chat. What do you guys think of the of gold right now? Let me know what you guys think right here. Indeed, not as aggressive. Not as aggressive, indeed. I expect a little bit more fire as well. I have to be honest here. I expect a little bit more fire for gold as well. I have to agree. something like this, if you come up here, I do have a lot of faith in the volatility index coming down. Gold, though, yeah. If I would make, I'm more bearish than bullish right now. In the short term, we might be pulling back to the 90s to try to catch, to come to the point of control, to come a bit deeper in this range. But breaking through with this volume, I mean, would be a great accomplishment. By the way, the Dow Jones, we came up, we created significant higher highs, we pulled back, building a lot of liquidity to the upside. We tapped into that zone, wait for that confirmation. At the same time, you see that the volatility index right now as well was breaking, is not breaking anything. However, if you look at this asks me to it says like, Lorenzo, please take me out. Please take me out. Consolidating, drop. Waiting for this bounce here. And then we can start talking about continuations and all of that stuff. So Dow Jones is on my radar. Yeah, gold. I'm not interested in a trade from the way it moves right now. There is no clear momentum here. It's pretty strong. Yet every single time when it comes up, it gets pushed back down. It starts building more and more positions as well. So I hope you understand why. Lorenzo, the real news is the debt ceiling news. Yeah, so the 1st of June, I believe. By the way, guys, if you are new to the channel, I would like to give you a beautiful warm welcome. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of our fantastic community. We're growing at a very rapid pace as well. And not just on YouTube, but also in general on our Discord. Our Discord is our bread and butter. This is where we come together and where we make more money. Okay, so if you want to be part of our Discord, then subscribe on my YouTube channel. Join our Discord, and we have a lot of things coming that I think you will find very, very interesting here. If you are not sure, then ask the people in the community that are listening right now. That would be a good one. So thank you. I was playing chess all night. I was sick, yet I couldn't sleep, so I was playing chess all night with a guy in our community. And I lost. I lost. And I take that very serious. I take that very serious. So I couldn't sleep again after that because I was analyzing these games that I was playing with him. So I can beat him tonight. I know you're watching. I know you're watching. Alright, I want to see more volume. Okay. The volume before the New York Stock Exchange opened and everything was amazing. GJ, for example, fantastic. Right now we're slowing down a little bit. Let's give it like a couple more minutes at least. See what's going on. Volatility index is starting to drop. I'm waiting for that moment. So we can go long here. So how many people took that GJ trade today? Let me see. Let me know in the chat, guys. Because it was quite early in the stream. So people tune in a little bit later. Bezat, you're not answering my questions. Why am I watching? Sorry, brother. I cannot read always all the messages. I'll try. I usually try. I really try. But you know, we're trading. We're trying to answer your questions. You know, trying to analyze. You know, do many things at the same time. So you're trying to provide these answered and at the same time also trade well. Why do you trade the US30 instead of the USD? We trade the USD as well. We trade the USD as well. I personally have no privilege. Gold, indices, Forex. What I usually tend to do is on stream. I tend to not do too many things at the same time anymore. So we're picking like 1, 2, or 3 mics and we're focusing on that throughout that particular stream. To avoid, you know, confusion and that type of stuff here. Check markets, dollar index, euro USD correlations. Gold is still underneath the value area low. Significantly right here. Flip. News, reaction from the news. Continuation, coming out, zooming back, looking at these highs here. Target is the 107.960. I need to break it or come down first, looking for a pullback. Maybe continuation. Look at the dollar right now. The dollar is going to face serious support right now very soon. Keep in mind that the Sunday open is right here. There's still a long way to go though. I think we're going to face serious support around this level as well. The 103.3, which is right in that area of the month. Too late to enter for now, but overall, let's see where we can bounce from. Gold breaking. What are your top 7 pairs? Forex. Okay. GJ, EJ, EU, GU. Yeah, okay. I have to say, if you're talking about Forex, I think that's it. I think that's it, to be honest. I'm not really... no, I think that's it. AU as well. Just the major pairs. And the dollar yen. Just the major pairs. Not really trading minor pairs too much. Except EJ, for example, or that, but it's not too small. When will the V3 class be open? The first, like we're gonna announce the first week of June. So the first week of June, I'm excited for it. Brother, check GJ. Yeah, I think GJ is already gone. I saw it. Coming down. Could come down right now. GJ could come down a little bit. Yeah, we're building a lot of liquidity below. What created the lower low? So this was the high that created the last low that created the high. So if you break below the 171.994, might see a small short scalp. Coming back to that range. Why? Because of the yen. Closing right now significantly here. It's not looking super strong yet. Not looking too bad. We have been building a lot of liquidity to the upside as well here. Breaking above that high. Poncho, good day, amazing people. Have you hit the like? Yes, thank you, brother. Hope you're doing well. We have a giveaway at 600 likes. As always. Which strategy are you using? Supply demand. Breakout. Just pretty much supply demand, price action, and correlations. Trading breakouts. Shout out to some good monitoring setups in Discord. Let's see what we have. There we go. We're back. We're back. We're back. Thank you for sharing. Majid. Let's go. Look at the US30, the volatility index. Is cappuccino. Nice, brother. Amazing. Yeah, this is insane. Is this for real, bro? No. This is for real. This is from Voltaire. This should be real. No, 100%. This is... yeah, this is some next level stuff. This is some next level stuff. I have a 49-inch wide screen, okay? Beautiful. However, nothing compared to this stuff. This is absolutely... This is incredible. Incredible. And it's always the blue and the purple that make it like even better. So beautiful. Thank you for sharing. Significant. Yawn. Chilling. What do we have here? What do we have here? We look at the eurjpy 3-minute chart. Amazing. Thank you for sharing. I started on a really shitty laptop. Broken screen. Yeah, this is one. I know this one. I know this one. This is beautiful. I mean, these vertical screens. So this is what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna buy a couple of vertical screens soon, and I'm gonna add this one to my setup as well here, because I have that beautiful wide screen, like 49-inch, perfect. It's called the Samsung Odyssey G9, fantastic screen. In my opinion, one of the best screens for trading, like by far, as a single screen. Okay. However, with these like vertical screens next to it, and like another one on top, it's game over. It's absolutely fantastic. So amazing. Martin, yes sir. A laptop is all you need. All right. A laptop is all you need. But David, same for you, my man. Same for you, brother. A lot of respect for you as well. Working very hard. Beautiful. Thank you for sharing, guys. Amazing. Amazing. Keep sharing these setups here. Okay. Will be fantastic. Let's get back into the charts. I will have a look at it in a second again. Please share your setup. Can somebody tell me why the vertical screen is useful? Yeah, it's very easy to read articles. If you read news, if you want to read to understand the fundamentals, it is very useful. Because you can read very long pages very quickly, very easily. And it looks cool, of course. It looks very cool. It's more about that, by the way. It's more about looking cool. I guess. Okay. I'll make a picture real quick, guys. Did you go from broke to rich to trading? How many months did it take you? It took me years. And yes, that's initially what helped here. But besides the money, forget about the money. Okay, I made a lot of money before, maybe even more money than I currently even have. Think about that. And I lost it. So I made a lot of money and I lost a lot of money. And I say this all the time over and over on stream again. But every single time I lost my money, I learned a very valuable lesson. That if you would ask me the question right now, would you take it back? I would say no. I would say no. No, I accept my fate. And every single time we're taking it to the next level. So yes, I might have more money, but I would not change the skills that I've built right now, the mindset that I've established in order to become the person who I am today. I like what I see on the US30. It looks strong, looks decent. I really like it. I do believe that we can look for high targets very soon here. Yeah, just see it indeed as University, David. Well said, my friend. Very, very well said. The reason why is, let's say you go to school, you go to the university, and you get into debt, into massive debt, right? Usually, if you live in the United States, you go to school, hundreds of thousands of dollars, right, in debt. Just see it as a life experience. You get, you go through the study of life. And you make mistakes. I mean, mistakes are good. Mistakes are good. Because, failure creates a perspective, right? And perspective creates opportunity. And then with volatility, you hopefully have built enough skill in order to take advantage of that opportunity. My setup, guys. My setup right now. Not as fancy as, as Voltaren. But it's a nice screen. I like to have one screen. And then one screen only. TP and stop loss, please help me. For the US30. I'm going to put my stop loss below the lows at 33,105. And I probably will look for... I do not have a direct TP yet. Lorenzo, can you talk about what you have learned by losing again and again money? What skills have you acquired? Perspective, human psychology, understanding people better. That's one thing. That's a major subject. Managing wealth better. Managing money better. And understanding that no matter what happens in your life, that one skill, one relevant skill is all you need to succeed. That's it. One relevant skill. So if you just focus on one thing and one thing only, and you get, very good in that. Let's say you build your character and there's that one skill that you work all the way up to a 9 or a 10, and all the others are lacking. Then once that 10 is established, you can bring all the other ones up from a 4 to a 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you average out and you can build the rest of your character. But that one skill is that catalyst through the other success in life as well. That's the way for me it works, all right? Or for me it will work, even for me right now in the long term. And it all has to do with focus. You only have a certain amount, of time during the day. So I'd rather spend that time building that one strong and valuable skill, which is trading, of course. Okay, we're coming up. Our second trade, hopefully again, another profitable trade. Let's see. We're coming closer and closer. Gold, where's gold? Gold is coming up, coming down. It's tricky, it's tricky. So, gold is not the trade for now. The US30 is looking good. And the reason why I like it a lot here is because we close a 30-minute candle in around 3 minutes. So wait for that closure. Lorenzo, what would you recommend to learn how to become a profitable trader? Step by step by step, one thing at a time. Market structure comes first. Once you understand market structure, you can learn all these other tools, right? Start with the psychology of the market, okay? Learn about liquidity. Step 2, my opinion. Like, why is price moving this way? Why are they building liquidity? What is the reason for them to take out the liquidity? Why can I not spot, the losers in the market? Maybe I'm the loser. Okay, acceptance. It starts with the acceptance that you are a loser. So it can only get better from there. After that, you start working out a strategy that applies with these basic fundamentals that you've learned. And these fundamentals, you test out 100 times. And you track every single trade. Winning, losing. I know it's not fun to lose, but you have to track it. There's no way around it. Because that's the data you need in order to move forward. Data is everything. Losing data is data. It's more valuable than no data. From there, continue. But stick with that one strategy until you have enough data and you can move forward from there. So, 1 minute to go for the candle structure. Closure. On the 30-minute. We have to close above. I like it. I start to like what I see with the volatility index right now. Coming down, getting weaker and weaker. The US30, of course, responding bullish to the fact that the volatility index is getting weaker right now. The question is when or what, at what moment we're going to break and we're going to take it out to. Did you study or get a college degree before trading? No. Okay, closure has been done. I'm gonna go to the 5-minute. Price action is starting to look clean. I'm not in. No, you will see when I'm in. Love it. Okay, I'm gonna enter very, very soon. What needs to happen is we're almost there. We need to break this low. Did you increase your account size? I've multiple accounts. Usually when there's like red folder news, I use this account. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna place a limit order, guys, right there. It's gonna be a little bit of a longer, probably a longer position in general. So do take that in consideration. We are in our position right now. Okay. Probably will hold this for a longer, a little bit of a longer period of time here. So I'm not sure if I can hold this all the way through the stream. But this could potentially take a little bit longer. With how the market is now moving, how the actual order flow is here. Well, let's see. Let's see. We are in position. I really like what I see here on the 30 minutes. So if this breaks, it's done. So I'm actually aiming for... It's a little bit of a medium time frame setup, to be honest. So that's why. Might take a little bit longer. So if this happens during the stream, we'll find out. But I'll keep you guys updated in the mentor charts in Discord. If that is the case here. Right there. But who knows? Who knows? Let's see what happens right now. In any trades right now? Yeah. We just entered. 1 minute ago. And this is going to be a little bit of a longer trade. So again, for people that are just coming in right now, I'm going to keep you guys updated in the mentor charts in Discord right here. Do you trade crypto? Yes, 4 live streams of Forex, 1 live stream of crypto right now. On a Friday, we're going to trade crypto. I'm excited for that because I'm going to talk about my course that I've created for you guys for free. More information is also in Discord. It's by far the correlations. Mwah, I love it. What's your biggest day ever in profit? I think me and Gavin Dantas, my man. He's in the chat right now. He's the co-founder of our trading academy as well. He's working very hard behind the scenes right now at the moment, not in the long term, but at the moment. I think we took a trade one time together at 11 p.m. And I think we were up 60 grand in like 5 minutes and almost 100 grand in like an hour. Crazy the way. But it was actually like, now we're laughing about it, but it was super risky. It was actually not that smart to do. Where can I find the Discord link? In the chat. In the chat pin message. Yeah, I think, you see already the Dow Jones is quite slow. But it looks fantastic. And the closure was good. So things, it looks good. Okay. I think that this requires some patience right now. But if you do decide to break the lows, then you have something here. You have something bigger here. And that's what I'm aiming for. I'm aiming for the volatility index to break the lows, coming down here. And this will cause GJ or the US30 to break above and come up here. So I have a wide stop loss. But yeah. Yeah, but you guys didn't ask me what what my biggest loss was in the trade. Which was roughly the same. So it's not always about wins, it's also about losses. I'm stuck in a sell trade on GJ. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. No. No, the yen was still looking weak. We saw recovery, but we didn't pursue the higher high. We didn't create that higher high here. Indeed. I don't have a direct TP for now. Okay. So I'm gonna keep you updated in Discord. So join our Discord if you want to be updated about this trade. If I'm still in position when I'm not live anymore. We have been streaming for 3 hours already, so that's why I take that in consideration. Welcome. Lo Greencon, welcome. MCT, welcome. Raksim, welcome. Princess. Welcome, Emily Reich. That sounds German. Welcome, Kwang, Rose, Lemon. Welcome to the community. If you have any questions, feel free to open a ticket. Anything you want, let us know. We're gonna get back to you. Let's take it to low time for a second. Yeah, this can take a bit longer. Okay. Do you trade the US dollar, Canadian dollar sometimes? Yes, I trade everything. Everything that you guys want me to trade. Pretty much. However, I'm not gonna look at too many charts again. I learned from this, during the live streams. Over time. I was trading so much at the same time that it just didn't, for me it worked, but for the community it was really confusing. It was hard to follow up on. So I right now have at least 1 or 2 or max 3 different setups. Today it's GJ, US30 and gold. And we just work with that. But maybe tomorrow we have US dollar, Canadian dollar, Euro USD and something else. So it depends every single day. How can I get the free course? You join our Discord. You go to instructions. You have to sign up through a link. And follow the instructions right there. You can get access to our VIP access, which is also going to be not just a course, but also setups. Trading setups for crypto. $100 likes for giveaway. Yeah, so let's do the giveaway very soon already, guys. If you can get it to 600 likes, will be fantastic. We can continue our journey. After that, I have to go. I have to go in like, let's say 20, like 15, 20 minutes. So let's do the giveaway before. I'll explain exactly how to join the giveaway. And I'll tell you what the giveaway will be as well. Can the VIX be traded on TradingView? I do not trade the VIX on TradingView. I don't think you can. I'm not sure. I've never tried it. It depends on your broker. All right, what I've created right now, guys, I have made a tweet, but we're gonna do it at 600 likes. So we're at 515. I made a tweet right now. If you want to join that giveaway, you go to my channel, my Twitter account. It's in my description, in the chat. You retweet this tweet, you become part of a Discord, and you are positive. So we can make some money together, all right? I'm going to give away access to our VIP or our private premium section, which is called the V2. We're going to turn to the V3. If you're not in yet, which I think you will not be, because currently it's closed. We do not accept anyone anymore. That means private live streams. You get access to our private live streams, our private sessions, our private coaching, whatever it is, all included. I'm going to get access to you to our premium section here. Which is going to be significantly more expensive in the near future. So it's a nice thing. If you're already in it, if you're already in the V2, we have a conversation. We're having a conversation after the stream. Just send me a message. But I probably already know you. Yeah, I can retweet it. I think I can automatically pick a winner. What is the risk reward? It depends. The thing is, for now, it's like a little bit over 1-to-1, but we're gonna reduce the risk very significantly already soon. So I just use it usually at the beginning. I tighten my stop loss quite faster. We might pull back a little bit, but overall, the reason why I put a wider stop loss in this trade is because of the volatility index. I do believe that at some point we're gonna break, and therefore I wanna have some room for it to do its thing here. So it's a little bit different than our usual trade. For example, our GJ trade was, you know, earlier this session was straight away tight stop loss. For this one, I have a little bit wider. My stop loss at 33,105. My TP here is not directly this TP, so this can be higher. Gold, yeah, gold is coming down. I think you have to be careful with gold right now, but I do believe that the more downside potential is likely. What do I need to see? I want to break this low. The 1964 again. All right. What is the V2? You should ask the community. Ask the community what it is. You will be happily surprised if you would win. Zakar said, hey Lorenzo, been away traveling Bali and Thailand last few months. Good to be back with the family in the Discord and the streams, ready to smash the markets. My man was in Bali and he didn't send me a message. What is this, bro? You're in Bali and didn't send me a message. I hope you had fun though. I hope you had fun. When V6? After the V5. All right. Tweet is loading. How can I join the V2? The V2 is completely closed. So there is no, I have nothing to sell. It's completely closed right now. We are going to reopen the V3, which is going to be in the first week of June. We'll be open to public again. I just give somebody opportunity right now to still enter the V2. If you're in the V2, you get access to the V3 automatically. Okay, you know what? We had a good stream. I need to go already very, very shortly here. We made some profits today. So let's do the giveaway already. Okay? Let me know if you guys are ready. If you guys are ready, press a 1 in the chat. $96 entries. All right. Let's do it. In 3, 2, 1. And the winner to our V2, aka future V3, will be. Let me show you what it is real quick. All right, let me show you. Let me show you before we continue. Access to the limited Discord, private Discord, signals with in-depth technical analysis, aka live trading sessions, private live streams, weekly trading classes and coaching. And the V3 will be an upgrade of that. So you will be good. You will be good. The winner is Anwar TJ. Anwar TJ, my man. Congratulations, congratulations. Send me a message. Tomorrow will probably be just a cash giveaway. We're not doing this every day. Tomorrow will be a cash giveaway. Easy money. Okay, we're hovering around our entry. I'm going to keep you guys updated in regards to everything that we're doing here. with the mentor charts in regards to this trade in general. I like what I see here. I'm play this game very patient. We're going in profit, minor loss, profit, minor loss. We're still around our entry right now. So yeah, let's be patient. Okay. I like the setup in general. I like what we're seeing on the VIX. I like what we're seeing on the US30. So I'm gonna look at it. I'm gonna leave you guys very soon already. This session here, I have some other things to do in a second here. Just wanted to say that I liked the stream. I hope you guys made some money with GJ. Hope you guys learned something today. With gold, for example. Gold was an interesting today. Very interesting way. You see it's getting rejected around the zone. I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna be back tomorrow. Same time. Okay. Gonna be good again. Thursday again. And then Friday, I'm gonna trade crypto. I'm gonna trade crypto live. A little bit different. So Monday to Thursday, Forex. Friday, I'm gonna trade crypto. So, guys, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. I enjoyed to be with you guys as well. I was a little bit sick, but getting better slowly and steady, regardless. I'm gonna be here. We made some money today. I wish you guys a fantastic rest of your day. Okay? Thank you guys so much. See you later. Oh, one more time. Wait for the climax. Ciao, 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 ciao.